Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in ICICI corporate bank? Then watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is to open your browser and search for the keywords ICICI bank login. Let me type it really quickly. And there you will see many search results related to ICICI corporate bank. Click on this first link that redirects you to the login page of ICICI Bank. Just click on it. After that, you can see there is a form in the white box where you have to fill use login ID and password. Fill the correct and appropriate credentials over there. If you forgot your user ID, you can click on this forget user ID. If you forget a password, you can click on this forget password. And simply click on this proceed button in order to log in ICICI corporate bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.